Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss more MCQ for TCEE subject. Question number first. Probability of the event that might occur, exorbitancy of the event if it occurs, risk. Option number A. Question number 2. Industrial safety management is the branch of management which is concerned with blank hazards from the industries. So answer is all of the above. That means reducing, controlling and eliminating also. Question number 3. Which of the following is an indirect cost of the accident? So answer is cost of lost time of the injured workers. Option number B. Question number 4. Which of the following is a direct cost of the accident? So our answer is option number D. Money paid for the treatment and compensations paid to the worker. Now question number 5. Which of the following are physical hazards agents? So our answer is A, B and C. That means all of the above. Question number 6. Checklist for job safety analysis consists of. Our answer is A. Work area, material, machines and tool also. Question number 7. Which of the following are used for safety or a health sign? So answer is all of the above. That means signboards, a color and acoustic signal also. Question number 8. Which of the following are the type of sign used in safety signboard? So our answer is A, B and C also. All of the above, that means. Question number 9. Which color is used to indicate prohibition sign and danger alarm? So our answer is red color. Question number 10. Which color is used to indicate the warning sign? So our answer is option number B, yellow amber. Question number 11. Which color is used to indicate the murdering sign? So answer is blue color. Question number 12. Which color is used to indicate the emergency escape and first aid sign? So answer is green color. Question number 13. Which of the following color is used for radiation hazards? So answer is purple. Question number 14. Class A fire consists of fire due to wood. Option number A. Now 15 number. Water is used to extinguish Class A fire. Option number A. 16 number. The following class of fire occurs in electrical equipment. So our answer is Class C fire. Now 17 number. The following extinguisher is suitable for cotton or other textile fire. Dry chemical. Option number D. Now 18 number. Who is responsible for the accidents? So answer is management, workers, work environment and condition also. So all of the above, which is our correct answer. Now 19 number. A safety program consists of 4 A's. That means option number B. 20 number. Form is the base suitable extinguishing blank fire. So answer is option number A. 21 number. The only thing keep you safe is your attention and attitude towards the safety. Option number D. 22 number. What is the primary concern during the event of a fire? So our answer is personal safety. 23 number. Who will ensure that we are using proper PPE, personal protective equipment? So our answer is option number A, you. 24 number. If found any difficulty in PPE on wearing it, when you will ask your safety supervisor? Our answer is option number A, when you wearing it. 25 number. At which stage safety management is essential to avoid loss of life and property caused by the electrical accidents? So our answer is all of the above. Now 26 number. The minimum distance provided between the two conducting points by air or a gas or a oil is known as a clearance. Option number A. 27 number. Electrical clearance are provided between phase and earth, between work section and live parts. That means our answer is option number D, all of these. Now 28 number. Clearance are provided for option number A, B and C, all of the above. यानी कि हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Now 29 number. Minimum clearance provided between the phases in air for 11 kV system is 2 to 9 mm. Option number D. Now 30 number. Minimum clearance provided between phase and earth in the air for 11 kV system is 178 mm. Option number C. 31 number. Blank distance is the shortest distance between the two metallic parts along with the surface of the solid insulator. So our answer is option number B, creepage. Now 32 number. Which of the followings are influenced by the creepage distance? So our answer is all of the above, A, B and C also. Now 33 number. For heavily populated industrial areas, blank creepage distance are recommended in terms of the mm per kV. So higher. Option number A. Now 34 number. What do we need to increase if the voltage level of the system is increased? So answer is clearance and creepage. Option number C. 35 number. What do we need to increase if the pollution level surrounds the system is increased? So we need to increase creepage. Option number B. 36 number. What are the reasons for accidents in plants? So accidents in plants working without a proper PPEs, overconfidence and improper mental and physical condition of the worker. So our answer is all of the above. 37 number. What are the reasons for accidents in plants? So our answer is all of the above. It means A, B and C also. 38 number. Specially designed PPEs for electrical work includes blank insulating clothes, matting, blankets and covers. So our answer is rubber. Now 39 number. Blank tools are encased in plastic and prevent the user from the getting electrocuted if the tools develop a short circuit. So our answer is double insulated. Option number D. Now 40 number. Blank use cases when the working near electricity. Always option number A. 41 number. Blank all electrical equipment before use. Inspect all electrical equipment before use. Option number A. 42 number. Electric shock is sudden stimulator of the nervous system of the human body by a flow of electric current through a part of the body. That means our answer is option number A. Now 43 number. What are the followings will define primary electric shocks? So our answer is A, B and C also. That means all of the above which are the correct. 44 number. What are the followings will define secondary electric shock? So A, B and C also. That means our answer is option number D. 45 number. Shock may occur when part of the human body in A, B and C also. That means our answer is all of the given. 46 number. The severity of the electric shock depends on magnitude and rate of rise of current flowing through the body. Option number B, path of the current through the body, and C, time durations of current flow through the body. That means our answer is all of this. Now 47 number. The typical resistance of the human body tip of left finger and right hand finger with dry skin is? So our answer is option number B. Now 48 number. The typical resistance of human body, tip of the left finger and right hand finger with wet skin is option number D, less than 1500 ohm. Now 49 number. The most dangerous place to use electrical equipment is near to the water. Option number C. Now 50 number. The safest ladder to use around electricity is fiberglass. Option number B. 51 number. Which of the following are not good conductor of electricity? So our answer is wood. Option number A. Now 52. The effect of an electric shock on the body do not depends upon the blank body weight. Option number D. 53 number. Injuries from electricity can include which of the following? So our answer is A, B and C also. 54 number. Electrical hazards include shocks, electrical arcs and blast, and blank or a faulty equipment. Broken or a faulty equipment. That means our answer is D. 55 number. Avoid working in blank conditions. Avoid working in wet conditions. Option number D. Blank electric shock current through body will not create mild sensations but no pain. So our answer is option number A, below 10 milliampere. 57 number. Blank electric shocks current through the body will create painful shock but muscles can remain in control. So our answer is 10 milliampere to 15 milliampere. 58 number. Blank electric shocks current through the body will only create muscle contraction. So our answer is 15 milliampere to 20 milliampere. Option number C. 59 number. Blank electric shocks currents through the body will create muscles contractions and breathing problem. So our answer is 20 milliampere to 40 milliampere. Option number D. 60 number. Blank shock current will cause rapid and uncoordinated series of contractions of heart muscles, causing an irregular heartbeats and possible to death. So our answer is 40 to 80 milliampere. 61. Which of the following will cause if above 100 milliampere electric shock current flow through the body? So our answer is A, B and C also, all of the given. 62 number. Which of the following should you not do if a person is in contact with a source of electricity and suffering from the electric shock? So our answer is touch him or her directly with your body. Option number C. 63 number. When moving a source of electricity away from a victim of electric shock, you can use an object made of which of the following materials? So our answer is cardboard, plastic, wood. That means our answer is all of the above. 64 number. Current flow from hand to hand is called touch potential. Option number C. 65 number. Which of the following will affected by electric shocks? So our answer is A, B, C. That means all of the above. 66 number. Grounding gives a stray current somewhere to go and keeps workers from the becoming a part of the current. So our answer is option number C, grounding. 67 number. The size of the earth or a ground wire is based on the maximum fault current carrying through the ground wire and depends on the soil resistance. That means our answer is D, both A and C. 68 number. Earth wire or a ground wire is made of copper material. Option number A. 69 number. Generally, grounding is provided for safety of the equipment and operating personnel. So our answer is option number C. Now 17 number. When earth fault occurs, voltage potential at earth mat increases due to grounding. Option number A. Now 71 number. The objective of earth or a grounding is to provide as low resistance possible to the ground. Option number A. 72 number. Moisture contained in the soil decreases the earth soil resistance. So our answer is option number B, decrease. 73 number. Factor on which soil resistance depends. So our answer is depth of the electrodes, moisture and NaCl. A, B, C. 74 number. The ground resistance should be designed such that as low as possible. Option number A. 75 number. Which color wire is recommended for earth connection as per ISI code? Green color. 76 number. Which of the following are the types of earthing? So our answer is plate earthing, pipe earthing, strip or a wire earthing. That means all of the above. 77 number. What is the specification of GI earth plate? So our answer is option number D, 600 mm by 600 mm by 6 mm. 78 number. What is the amount of charcoal and salt needed for GI pipe earthing? So our answer is option number C, charcoal 10 kg, salt 10 kg. 79 number. What type of earthing is used by transmission line? So our answer is strip earthing. Option number C. Which type of earthing is also called as a fire earthing? So our answer is rod earthing. 81 number. The size of earth or a ground wire is based on the A and C. That means our answer is option number D. 82 number. What are the factors of the ground electrodes affecting earth resistance? So our answer is depth and diameter, numbers of electrodes, grounding system design. So that means A, B, C, which are the correct. 83 number. What are the following are the types of grounding system design? So our answer is all of the given. Now 84 number. Which of the following are the method for grounding the neutral point of a three-phase system? So our answer is all of the above. That means A, B, C also. Now 85 number. For an EHV equipment for maintenance first, it should be isolated and connected to the ground because to discharge the charging capacitance to ground and protections for operating personnel. Option number D. 86 number. The advantages of neutral earthing is option number A, B and C. That means our answer is option number D, all of this. 87 number. In star connected system without neutral grounding, zero sequence current are 0. Our answer is option number A. 88 number. The advantages of neutral earthing: eliminations of arcing ground. Option number C. 89 number. What do we connect with the earth during earthing or a grounding of the electrical system? So our answer is A, B and C. That means our answer is option number D, all of this. Now 90 number. Which of the following are the type of grounding or earthing? So our answer is option number C, equipment grounding and system grounding. 91 number. The process of connecting non-current carrying metal parts of the electrical equipment to earth in such a way that in case of insulation's failure, the enclosure effectively remains at the earth potential is called equipment grounding. That means our answer is option number A. Now 92 number. The process of connecting some electrical parts of the power system to the earth is called system grounding. Option number B. Now last one, 93 number. Blank is known as a connecting the metallic parts of different machines which is not considered to be carry electric current during normal operations of the machines to bring them at the same level of the electric potential. So that is known as a bounding. Option number D.